Alright guys, we're on a long road trip, almost 1,000 miles across Texas, New Mexico, and halfway across, well, 3/4 of the way up to Colorado, Denver, Colorado. But we're driving back to San Antonio on the road. It's beautiful out here, beautiful day. It's Sunday. It's 9:12 a.m. It's 69 degrees out here. There you go. Who's driving? Second Amendment cowboy. The Cadillac's here. Got his pistols down there. Smile. You're on camera. Alright, we're at the Cadillac Ranch here in Amarillo, Texas, guys. Check it out. We didn't get it going through, we're gonna keep coming back. We got the one over there by the big Texan, but we're gonna get this for you. Turn it around. Boy, there is so much paint on here. It's like a freaking shell. I don't want to touch it too much, but I mean, there must be an inch of paint on this stuff. It smells good and gnarly. You can get nice and high in here. For damn sure.
Oh, it's a great idea.
Good things outside. No rhyme or reason to anything, but I'll tell you what, it is. Got 2 or 3 inches of paint on those things easily. Sure it does. It is something else. And that's just spray paint. Just imagine those little particles making that much paint.
All right, get over there. I'll take
There's millions of people coming out here spraying this stuff over the years.
Are you done?
Yeah, Daddy, go.
Oh, my freaking fingers. I can't bend it, Dad.
Do the feet sign.
They got spray cans here. I'm not even going to touch the spray can. I'm going to leave my hands all painted. But I'll tell you what, this is pretty cool. Half the cars in the ground are, it appears half the cars in the ground. I would assume they stuck it in the ground. Make it safe. I mean, look at that tire. Look how thick that paint is on there. It's busted. It's all paint. Alright guys, there you go. That'll complete our round out of the Cadillac area here in Amarillo, Texas, man. It's a beautiful day. It's about 85 degrees, I guess, in North Texas. We're heading on down to Lubbock to spend the night. And then we are going to make the truck to San Antonio from there tomorrow, which is about 3 hours less of a drive than what we're doing today. Should be pretty nice. It's a beautiful day though. Definitely take a look at the I can't even wait to get to the frickin'. Can't wait to get to the cars, man. Let's tear it up out here too. Events. Texas roadside attraction, guys. Not sure how many years it's been here, but for a good long while. Alright, this is Eden, Texas right here. It's like in between Lubbock, Texas, about 3 hours out of San Antonio, man. It's busy in here. A lot of traffic. It's a small little town. Typical Texas. We love you. Hope you're enjoying the tour. Peace. We're just painting this one here in this town, Menardville. Working around here. Good old Texas town here, bro. Little town America in Texas. I like the fact they're taking these old buildings and they're painting these murals on them. We got some blue bonnets, as you can see. Looks like they're painting a big old style locomotive train for sure. And they've painted some of the cars already. And they're working over there stenciling it out. I don't know, it looks like it's gonna be maybe flowers? What do y'all think that's going to be back here? Used to be Wool Compton Range, something. It's still a feed store though. This is a feed store because I can smell it. It's a feed store, I can smell it. On the way home to San Antonio. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this road trip. Make sure you click that like, click that subscribe, and until next time, hug somebody you love. Peace.